Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the battery in a Honda CRV key fob. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 3-volt coin cell. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and your new battery. It is important to have a clean, well-lit area to work in, preventing any small parts from getting lost during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a careful and steady hand, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing, revealing the internal components. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is crucial for correct reinstallation. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before you close it. Gently press the two halves together until you hear and feel them snap securely into place. Once reassembled, it is important to test the key fob's functionality with your Honda CRV to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.